We are happy you've decided to give yourself the opportunity to find out more about our innovative online investment service. In the next couple of minutes, we will explain what we can offer you that will significantly impact your investment opportunities. Not only can you earn a high return, but you can do so from the convenience of your home or office. The information you're about to hear can quickly and dramatically increase your investment dollars beyond anything you've ever experienced before. As you know, a feeling of uncertainty prevails around the world. The economy is at an all-time low, and it's impossible to turn on the TV or pick up a newspaper without seeing more bad news. Foreclosures are rampant. Formerly smart real estate investments are now upside down. The stock market is volatile to say the least, and many individuals have had their entire retirement plan wiped out completely. Unemployment rates are the highest in history, and so are the number of businesses closing on a daily basis. At the same time, tax concerns are increasing. The bottom line is this: investments that were formerly predictable are no longer viable, and the risks in just about any endeavor or investment are discouraging. Unfortunately, what's worked in the past is no longer working, but we have good news for you. While the majority of investors are scratching their heads wondering what they're going to do next, you have a unique opportunity that will cause your investment portfolio to grow quicker and bigger than ever before. Thanks to the experts at Commodities Online, you have the opportunity to participate in a brand new, innovative, and yet simple online investment subscription service that provides a 5 to 10% rate of return per month on your investments. Payouts in 30 to 65 days. Minimal risk to you. No broker's fees. No need to analyze market conditions. Professional customer support. And point-and-click simplicity. You're probably wondering what you'll be investing in. And that's the best part. The exciting world of physical commodities. Despite the bad economy, we are still a consumer-based civilization, and physical commodities are a staple of daily life. They are simply goods for which there is a demand. That's why this industry presents a rock-solid base for asset creation. Some common examples include things like gold, silver, iron ore, soybeans, rice, sugar, wheat, salt, coffee, fish, lobster, crude oil. Commodities are goods whose value is the same no matter who produces them. For example, the price of gold is universal, although it fluctuates daily based on global supply and demand. What does all of this mean to you? Well, thanks to the experts at Commodities Online, you can profit from this huge global market from the comfort of your home computer, with no previous experience and with mitigated risk. Before we go on, please be clear, Commodities Online is not a commodities broker, a commodities pool operator, a commodities trading advisor, and not a dealer of speculative commodities futures or options. They're completely different. Commodities Online simply enables qualified investors to participate in pre-sold commodities contracts with pre-established targeted returns on their investments. What do we mean by pre-sold commodities contracts? Also known as a buy-sell contract, a pre-sold contract is basically a done deal. The buyer, the seller, the commodity, the price, and the expected delivery date are all terms of the contract. For each contract, Commodities Online secures a buyer at a predetermined price and then purchases from a seller that will yield a profit. They're able to do this effectively because they have extensive experience in buying and selling commodities and well-established relationships with the selling producers and high-volume buyers. In a nutshell, they do all the work. Besides negotiating the terms of the contract, they coordinate the delivery, inspection, and fulfillment of the specific contract and the delivery of funds. They also handle all necessary tax and regulatory filings. What does all of this mean for you? Minimal risk. Because Commodities Online has secured the producer, the buyer, and the seller, and you're dealing with pre-sold contracts, there is less risk to you. The terms of the contracts have already been agreed upon between the buyer and seller. Each shipment is insured. The short-term nature of the contract means your money is not tied up for an extended period of time. You'll simply decide how much you'd like to invest in each contract based on the targeted percentage of return and the completion time of the contract. Couldn't be any simpler. Are you curious to know what you can potentially earn? Well, to the left of your screen is a listing of actual payout percentages from 17 recently completed contracts dated February 24th to July 20th, 2010. The graph to the right of the screen indicates the potential returns you can make with a $10,000 investment. If you subscribe today and invest in your first 30-day contract, then continue to reallocate both your investment and returns in 30-day contracts with preferred returns of 7%. Your potential return on your initial investment will be over $11,000. In today's economy, where else can you go to get that sort of return on your investment? You can go to www.sec.gov to see actual filings of the closed transactions by Commodities Online. If this all makes sense to you, you may be wondering how soon you can get started. The answer is simple. You can get started right away. There's no learning curve and no seminars to attend. If you can point and click a mouse on your computer, you can participate. All you need to do is purchase your 6-month subscription to the Commodities Online confidential website for just $2,000. This gives you 6 months access to pre-sold commodities contracts with targeted returns of 5 to 10% per transaction. Then fund your account with a minimum of $5,000. Log into your account through the subscriber section of our website and look at the list of pre-sold contracts being offered. Decide which contracts you wish to participate in and choose how much you want to invest. It's truly as simple as point and click. When the contracts you've chosen pay out, you'll enjoy a 5 to 10% return per month on your first investments within 30 to 65 days. At the end of each transaction, the principal and net profit are put back in your cash account. You decide if you want to withdraw the funds or reinvest them in other contracts. It's just that simple. The best thing of all is that we offer a full money-back guarantee. That's right, we're so confident you're going to love your Commodities Online subscription. We decided to take away any hesitation you might have. You can test drive our program without any risk whatsoever because we offer a full money-back guarantee on your first trade. If you're not completely satisfied for any reason, we will refund your subscription fee plus every dollar in your account, including any profits earned. So what are you waiting for? The timing could not be better, and with our money-back guarantee, your satisfaction is assured. Test drive it for yourself. Get your subscription today and enjoy your first return on investment in 30 to 65 days. Don't delay. Get started today. Go to www.commoditiesonline.com. Have further questions? No problem. If you were referred to this presentation, please contact the person who introduced you to Commodities Online for more information. Otherwise, please contact our sales department directly via email or phone. Thank you for your time. We look forward to helping you achieve your investment goals.